I didn't even get to tell y'all that I got a new car. Unless you follow me on social media. But yeah, y'all, I got a new car. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get into my video, I just want to talk about the scents that I received from Dossier. If you're not familiar with Dossier, they are an affordable, designer-inspired fragrance company. I was actually really excited when they reached out to me because I've seen so many other YouTubers use their products. And then with them being a cruelty-free brand, you know I had to try them out. I've been testing out these scents for about 2.5 weeks now. And let me just say, girl, I'm in love. I love these freaking scents. Oh my God. Y'all, this fruity almond one, I actually had already purchased before they sent me one. And this smells so freaking good. My other bottle is literally gone. It smells so good, y'all. Like, I love it. Like, this is probably one of the best scents I have. I'm not even gonna lie. But you guys, I think this powdery hawthorn is my favorite. Like, it smells so good. It got like this, I don't even know, like this baby powder smell mixed with something else. Like, y'all, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is my favorite one out of these two. I love the fruity almond, but this powdery hawthorn, you see I done used it all, girl. It's about gone. So if you guys want 10% off your purchase, when you check out, use the discount code STARR, STARR 10, and you'll get 10% off your purchase. Dossier has a new payment method that lets you earn store credit. Select catch at the last step of the checkout, and you can earn $10 bonus credit. Y'all better go shop. I promise you will not regret it. I love it. I love both of these scents. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Star. I'm back again with another video. Today I'll be just doing a vlog. I'll be vlogging my day. I'm going to get my hair done. I gotta go to work. I might get a pedicure. I don't know, we just gonna do simple stuff. The last video y'all seen, I had surgery, so look at the body yaddy. I got my faja on, but yeah, guys. Slim is giving very much slim waist. Like a month post-op. It's giving the new body yaddy. Okay, y'all, don't mind this stuff in the back. I'm redoing my room. My auntie redoing my room. So right now, I am blow drying my wig. I'm getting my hair done at like 12. Y'all, this is a new wig. I just had to dye it black. And they didn't even have jet black. I'm pissed. They only had black. And I didn't even feel like going to the store, so I just did black. But it's still gonna give. But that jet black, it just, I don't know, it do something to it, girl. I'm gonna wait to dye jet black. But I look like a chicken head, baby. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, guys. Go subscribe, y'all. The body is giving. I do have my board on, and then I got one in the back, but I ain't got no phones on. But I got my board and a little whatchamacallit thing on my back. I don't even know where it's at. I feel like it moved. Oh well. I didn't even get to tell y'all that I got a new car. Unless you follow me on social media. But yeah, y'all, I got a new car. I've been had it like a month and a half now. My new baby. I just love her. I need to do a car tour one of these days. I really look like a mess today. I'm not gonna be cute until I get my hair done. But yeah, y'all, I was thinking about doing y'all a car tour, but I don't know, we'll see, because I barely even know how to work this car. All I know how to do is turn the music on and then see. I haven't just sat and like figured it out. But yeah, y'all, this is Sadie, my girl Sadie. She's so cute. She's just so cute. Like, wait, I'm gonna go get some coffee. I got like 50 minutes before I have to go to work, so I'm about to go get me some coffee and maybe a muffin. I'm not trying to be too much in the camera so I get my hair done, but I just made it to my hair appointment. I had went to work, but I was trying to rush and record because I need to hear them get here, but I ended up getting here early. So I'm waiting on her to tell me to come in. So y'all, under the dryer. It's giving very much scalp. I just got my hair done. Curls falling already, but when I get out the car, I'm gonna have to let y'all see for real, because you can't really see me sit down. But I'm headed back. I'll be having to drive like 40 minutes out to get my hair done. That's ridiculous. But I wish it was at Hattiesburg, but I'm headed back. So I gotta go back to work. Yeah. I didn't even finish my vlog yesterday. I had a lot going on, but it is 6 in the morning, 6:23, and we're about to take Miss Mama to school. Say hey, Mama. She's just back there looking. But I waited till 6:30, so we got a few more minutes. Yes, let me get a Caesar salad with chicken.
A whole or a half?
Oh, you can do a whole. And then let me get a grilled cheese.
Okay, anything else?
Let me get the strawberry. Now let me try something different. Let me try the mango. Y'all been at work all morning since 6:30 and it's 11. It's 11:13 right now, but I gotta take a little break before I go back. I'm putting tape on them so that they don't open. If y'all order my products, thank you so much. I really appreciate y'all. And I'm gonna put my link in the bio if you haven't already ordered some of my hair oil.